at Cloudera. What's it going to look like in a couple of years?
It's funny. There's a quote came from a data scientist out at Strata, and it was like, "It took me 3 weeks to develop a model, but it's been 11 months and it's still not deployed in production." And there's a couple of there's a couple of different
Aren't
production.
we beyond that at this point?
Unfortunately, not. There's a couple of different surveys out there. One set showed that 35%, only 35% of models are making it to production. Another showed only 20% were making it to production. You know, which is those are really hard numbers, right? So, what does it take to actually make machine learning AI, get into production? And at Cloudera, that's some of the things that we are intimately concerned about, right? How do you consider the entire data lifecycle, everything from ingest, data engineering, data warehousing, making sure that it's available, then the actual machine learning data science process, and then serving it out and actually doing something with it, right? That is understanding that entire life cycle, making sure that you're also doing that in a secure and governed way, absolutely critical. So that's the things that we're focused on, and I see that many different agencies are also considering those same issues. They're seeing the same science projects that are failing, and how do we actually get things out of science projects and actually into production to make it a normal part of our process. And I think a lot of things that you heard here today are that entire pathway is where that's going, is to making this just a normal part of what we do and actually getting things off the ground and into production and to be successful.